Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing this February the 18th, 2020 video you've come to expect, love, need, and deserve. And we're going to give you a quick little update here. My voice is starting to come back. This is my break time here. I got about 10 minutes. So we're just going to go over and glance through the coins. Uh, I did have some Jabroni Killer member requests. We'll get into that. We're going to have to put this on focus because, of course, all this is going to start to update. A couple of coin requests I did have, uh, and we'll get into those tonight, maybe on my lunchtime hour. But I just wanted to give you on the major coins a little update here since I have a little bit of a voice coming back right now. No, I don't want to buy you. And I just make this video. And we can see here the Bitcoin price is still sitting in the daily time frame uh, in between the 100-day and the 50-day, between 93,774, excuse my voice, and 97,895, the 50-day moving average. And it's been for the last 8 or 9 days trading within this range. And that's where we're going to continue to watch out to see if this is going to actually break down farther. As in a long-term macro pattern, this could be in the daily, weekly, and monthly, could be a head and shoulders topping out reversal pattern here. You see that right there? And this is something that we've been paying attention for, and we're seeing if this is potentially going to start to form the head right here, just like XRP did. Is this going to come down like that and then form a right shoulder through the late spring and early summertime? And then maybe for the fall, closing in on the winter time, we have a technical breakdown, and that could get you down to 32,366 and change. And that's something that we're watching out for. And that would be a normal bear market after a humongous, exuberant bull market that we've had recently over the last 12 months, right? So that's in the Bitcoin, what we're watching. If we go into the XLM price, we know we've been short to medium term bearish for quite some time, ever since we hit that 61 cents. And then we got short to medium term bearish back here. And then we identified this 43 cents, which is a major uh, support and resistance zone. And we're extremely short to medium term bearish when we're below it. You can see we got rejected by the 50-day and the daily after we had this wick down to the 200-day moving average, came back up last week, got rejected by the 50-day moving average. Now we're slipping below the 100-day, and I think we're coming back down in XLM for a retest of the 200-day moving average. And then we could have some kind of a little bounce back, but I still think that we're going to get a bearish cross where the 50 in red, the short-term moving average, is going to slip and get underneath the 100-day moving average and the long-term moving average. And I think that is going to, even if we have a bounce back, say we come down here and bounce back, I think we might run into this and get rejected, and it might have some more downside pressure in the short to medium term, maybe even as far down as that 18-cent level. And that's what we're going to be watching in XLM. XRP, I still think we're in this head and shoulders topping out reversal pattern. Uh, and we identified and sniffed this out for you back here when the head was just starting to peak out on the head. Then we formed the head on the right side of the head to complete the head formation on that wick down to about, what'd that get down to? That flash wick on February the 3rd down to about $1.77. Then we told you last week we were going to have a textbook, prototypical playbook bounce back. And we did, to form that right shoulder. And the right shoulder could go as high as $2.90, but the mean of the right shoulder was right about in here between the 265 and the 275. If you look at the left shoulder back here, the neckline is running horizontal right around the $2 and 15 to 20 cent, and a technical breakdown out of that uh, potentially could be down as low as $1.29. And that's what we're still watching out for. We're trying to get held on the 50-day moving average right now. But if we break the 50-day moving average, we're going to shoot pretty quickly down to the 100-day moving average again. And then I do think eventually you will hit the $1.68 or 100-day moving average which is still trending up. And the 50-day moving average was trending down. It's now trending up to parallel, but I still do think like XLM in the medium range, this is going to start to trend back down. I think you could also have a bearish cross where this 50 gets underneath the 100-day moving average. Like, subscribe, and share. This was just a quick update here as my voice has come back a little bit. We'll do another extensive update voice uh, as long as the voice allows me to later on this evening. Thanks for your understanding. Peace and love.